Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to reset Photoshop to default settings. So friends, to reset Photoshop, firstly close Photoshop if you already opened. Now friends, when you click on Photoshop, if you have shortcut on desktop, so when you click, so immediately press Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift. Make sure friends, very immediately when you click on Photoshop, so immediately press Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift like this. So friends, you will see this note: delete the Adobe Photoshop settings file. So click on yes. Now Photoshop will open with default settings. So friends, this is very simple and easy method to reset Photoshop to default settings. Just you need to close it and click on it, and immediately in few seconds press Ctrl Alt and Shift. So friends, hopefully you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel for latest update, and friends, please comment this video work for you or not.